Hello YouTube, I'm fixing a neighbor's lawnmower handle again. I just fixed this last summer. You can see the brazing under the paint. This time we're going to wire weld it. It'd be a lot easier on me. So we'll show you a few photos of how I have it clamped up and what it looks like when I'm done. Troy belt. That's all I can tell you. The mower is made by Troy belt, but broke last year, broke this year. So less talk, more work. Okay, we filled that whole indent in there, so it's all solid weld. This is just a lot of spot welding. This stuff is thin. Welding like 2A, like down with 22 gauge metal, whatever. If it's on the lowest setting, you can go on the welder. So I'll snap a picture of that, what setting I have on the welder. Okay, it's done painted. You can see the bead there. I don't want to grind too much of my weld off. Done painted and ready to put back on the mower. I even painted the side that I fixed last year. Thanks for watching.